Welcome to our YouTube channel Om Labs. Today in this video we will introduce Autoclave. An autoclave is a device that works on the principle of moist heat sterilization, wherein saturated steam is generated under the pressure in order to kill microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses and even heat resistant endospores from various types of instruments. It is very much similar from the construction point of view of normal pressure cooker used in our kitchen. Let's check out its principle and working. This is the top of the autoclave which has different parts on it. This is pressure valve which indicates the pressure generated inside the autoclave. This is the safety valve which provides safety and prevents bursting of autoclave. This is simple screw valve which will simply helps to release vapors from the autoclave. This is as similar as whistle in pressure cooker. It releases the pressure on the developed bases. So these are the major parts on the lid, including these several pair of nuts on the lid of autoclave. Let's unscrew these nuts one by one by rotating them to open the lid, so that we can open the lid and can see the inner view of the autoclave. So we have opened the lid. Now we can see the inner view of the autoclave, which includes a tray on which we kept the objects to be sterilized. And next we have there is a tripod stand on which we can set this tray, and there is a heater which helps water to change into vapors. So this is the rubber gasket which allow pressure remain inside the autoclave, and this is the power cable simply used to generate power which converts water into vapors. So let's reset these components inside the autoclave. Let's set this tray on the tripod stand, and the lid should be kept proper on the autoclave, otherwise it will create problem while tightening the screw. Tight all the screws so that the vapor should not come out of the autoclave. The safety of the autoclave very much depended on the tightening of the screws. If we use all the components accordingly, safer the use will be. Before start the use of autoclave, always make sure all the screws should be tight. Then only we have to use it. If you have any query about this product, please contact us on the given email ID. Please like and share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.